Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money from ebook. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search how to earn money from ebook. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website how to make money with a ebook as step-by-step guideline. When you click this website, the page will be opened of how to earn money from ebook. An effective way to provide the value for your audience and increases your bank account as a result. Answering these questions, why ebook? One of the main advantages of ebook is that you have to allow the reach of global audience with a minimal cost. A friend of mine is made $20,000 in a month. His stories below. Unlike traditional publishing, there are no costs associated with pricing, warehousing, and shipping. This means that you can earn more money from ebook and so on. You know that you don't have to split profit for your traditional publishers. Additionally, ebook allows you and to more control over the work, form of the cover design and pricing. You can also choose if you self-publish your ebook, saving your form of going throughout a traditional publishing process, which is linked to time of consuming and expensive. Ebook also offers a great opportunities for you and to make your passive income once you have the ebook is published. It will continue to generate sales and year to come. Within the well of marketed ebook, you can make money from your book and even while you have to sleeping. There are various ways to make money from ebook, such as selling ebook on online platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Book, Google Play Book, and Samsung. Creating a series of ebook and selling them to a package deal, offering an ebook as a lead of magnet to attract to customers and your ebook. Business, creating an ebook a part of your cursor and coaching programs. Offering affiliated marketing opportunities on their business and individual will promote your book. For example, an author named is the Christian self-published as the book as the name of Kill and sold in $15 per copy. He sold 500 copies before he was to become a traditional publisher as become of New York Times and the bestseller. Author example is the Enterprise's name of the time presses and it is published in the book and 4 hours work week and have become a free sellers for your scenes and to have to read full story for the amount and the author of to have to now. Everyone knows that the free ebook is the best of margin strategies for business and for any size. But if you are also looking for to earn some income and make money from selling books, writing ebooks for money of also has to be one of the passive income preferred by some, especially after a pandemic. In fact, ebook is being popular, demanded as such much ebook sales and exploded in your few years. And the growth of unexpected continues to grow at steady annual of the 3.92% up to 2028 internationally. Even through free books of after values of the subscriber exchanging their email for the downloaded pair of ebook and deliver of the valuable information plus actionable activities and results. In this article, we will be happy to learn how to and why ebook are great earning income for your tips and guidelines for whatever you have to save your ebooks. Quick read. Ebook are just not for a lead management for your trade sources, passive income and can be helpful you money over the long term. You can use several sites of ebook and including Wisdom, Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing software and you have to formulate. Choosing the right file of the type, formatting and ebook is essential. File type included a printable PDF and multimedia of your sale book. You should be able to know the audience, guest, ISBN, write a ebook design for your ebook. Create on the nature list. With the wisdom of you have to quite kind of beautiful design ebook template and started access to the institute for your ending features and publish your ebook with a shared link. Why ebook are good for the passive income? Passive income is one of the most sought after sources to the income today. It means that are able to generate income and minimal of your labor reward. In the other words, work are the use of your earner who does not have to write. Well, ebook is the great addition to the passive income strategy. The hard work is the start of beginning and once you have to done, you will be able to maintain your sales and marketing. Once you create ebook, market is the share and it can be technically sell itself. And to make money writing ebook takes a decent amount of your effect and Write a valuable content. No to a mentioned building to a scope of carrying ebook and to have to